Hello students, today we will study the preparation of haloalkanes from alcohols. So the first one is by the action of halogen acids. If halogen acid like HX, if these halogen acids they are added to alcohol in presence of any dehydrating agent, dehydrating agent will absorb the water which is formed here, and there is one more role of that dehydrating agent which is used here, that I'll tell you later. So see what will happen. This X will take place of this OH, and OH and H will combine to form water. This is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Yes, this is a nucleophile, this is a strong nucleophile, this will displace this nucleophile from here and Rx will be formed. The reactivity of alcohols toward this reaction for a given halogen acid, it follows tertiary, secondary and then primary. See, if you'll see that tertiary alcohols, they are more reactive than secondary and then primary. Actually, this is a nucleophilic substitution reaction, and if we talk about the stability of carbocations, then tertiary carbocations are very stable, then secondary and then primary. Actually, stability and reactivity, if we'll see, then they are contradictory here. Yes, but it is just because, since if we take tertiary alcohol, it will readily form carbocation, and that's why these alcohols are more susceptible, or these are more likely to undergo this reaction easily. Okay, this is an example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Since the order of stability, it follows the stability of the carbocation, it follows tertiary, then secondary and then primary. So the order of reactivity of the alcohols, it is also in the same order, that is tertiary, because it will be formed readily, this carbocation will be formed readily, so these alcohols, they will react readily to form haloalkanes. Now if we talk about the reactivity of halogen acids, then hydrogen iodide, it is most reactive among all these, then HBr and then HCl. It is because Hi, iodine, it is larger in size, and the bond between them, it is weaker. So this is because the bond dissociation energy of the HX bond is, if we talk about the bond dissociation energy, bond dissociation means the amount of energy required to break this bond. If this energy is less, it means that is more reactive. So the bond dissociation of energy, it is maximum in HCl, then HBr and then Hi. If dissociation energy required to break the bond between H and Cl, it is largest, it means it will not show reactivity that much as Hi can show. Okay. Now Grove's process, the name of this process is Grove's process. Here primary and secondary chloroalkanes will be prepared. How they are prepared? By treating alcohol with HCl and in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. Anhydrous is there because it will act as a dehydrating agent, and this zinc chloride, it will help in breaking the bond between carbon and oxygen. See, if you'll see this, then this is like this, na? OH, this hydrogen and this. So this C and O bond is cleaved in presence of this zinc chloride easily. See what is happening here? It is simply ethanol. It is reacting with HCl in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. Here, this CH3, CH2, Cl, chloroethane is formed along with the formation of water. So primary haloalkane is prepared here. Here, if we'll see, then OH is present here. So Cl will be attached here. It means here we are getting secondary haloalkane, secondary chloroalkane. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 2 chloropropane. So this process it is for primary and secondary chloroalkanes, for the preparation of that, And here is the role of zinc chloride. It acts as a dehydrating agent. This water it will absorb, and it helps in the cleavage of carbon oxygen bond of alcohol, and this results in the formation of carbocation, which combines with Cl minus. This carbocation will be formed. If this is removed easily, then this carbocation will be formed, and this will combine with chloride to form this CH3 CH2 Cl. Okay, so this was about primary and secondary chloroalkenes. If tertiary chloroalkenes are there, these are formed even in the absence of zinc chloride, because tertiary alcohol, they are very reactive, so no need of zinc chloride is there, and they react with conc HCl in absence of ZnCl2. It's zinc chloride, ZnCl2. Now we'll see the reaction, how it is happening. See, C CH3 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 OH, it is combining with conc HCl, and we are obtaining this tertiary haloalkane along with the formation of water. This was about chloroalkanes. Now bromoalkanes we will study. They can be prepared by refluxing a suitable. See, refluxing, it is a process in which a round bottom flask it is taken with a long tube, and the vapors are formed there. Condenser is attached over there, and the vapors, they again get condensed to form the liquid. So this is a refluxing process, and bromoalkane can be prepared by refluxing a suitable alcohol. Alcohol will combine it with KBr and conc H2SO4. KBr and conc H2SO4, they will combine to form HBr. Okay, this HBr and conc H2SO4, they will react with alcohol. They will react with alcohol to form bromoethane. So bromoethane is formed like this. Now iodoalkanes, if we talk about, it is prepared by refluxing. Again, the process of refluxing is there. Alcohols with Ki. See here, we had taken KBr and conc H2SO4, and here we have taken Ki and H3PO4, phosphoric acid. Here we'll get KH2PO4 along with the formation of HI. This HI will combine with alcohol now, because here we are preparing haloalkane from alcohols. So the reactions we are showing it with alcohol only. So here it will combine with ethanol in presence of HI. This HI which is prepared here, this will combine to form iodoethane along with the formation of water. Now by the action of phosphorus halides. See, alcohols we are studying, but here it was the action of halogen acids, HX, where HCl, HBr, HI we have done. Yes, HI, HBr, HCl. Now again alcohols will combine with phosphorus halides. Phosphorus halides means PCl3 or PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride or phosphorus trichloride. So we will see the reactions here. Chloroalkanes first. Phosphorus halides, we are seeing how chloroalkanes are formed. See, CH3 CH2OH, when it will react with phosphorus pentachloride. See, this you have to learn that when pentachloride is there, then we will obtain this CH3 CH2Cl along with the formation of POCl3, phosphorus oxychloride, and HCl. And when PCl3 is there, see, this is secondary alcohol. Here it is combining with PCl3, we will get secondary haloalkane along with the formation of H3PO3. Okay, here with PCl5 we are getting POCl3 and HCl, and here with PCl3 we are getting H3PO3, and the main product, of course, it is there. Now B is bromoalkane and iodoalkane. This was the chloroalkane we are preparing when alcohols are combining with phosphorus tri or pentachloride. Now we will see how bromoalkanes and iodoalkanes are formed. These are prepared by treating alcohols with a mixture of red phosphorus and bromine or iodine. When bromoalkanes we have to prepare, we will combine this red phosphorus with bromine, and for iodoalkane, red phosphorus with iodine. So here see P4, it is the red phosphorus, it is combining with bromine, and it will form PBr3. Okay. This PBr3 readily react with alcohol to form bromoethane and H3PO3. See, PCl3, PBr3. When PCl3 and PBr3 are there, we are getting H3PO3. When it was PCl5, we were getting POCl3 and HCl. But with PCl3, PBr3 and PI3, we will get H3PO3, H3PO3 and H3PO3 as a side product. Okay, now iodoethane we will prepare. Phosphorus will combine with iodine and we will get phosphorus iodide here. This will combine with alcohol to form iodoalkane along with the formation of H3PO3. Now this is the best method to prepare chloroalkane by the action of thionyl chloride. Chloroalkane can be prepared by refluxing alcohols with thionyl chloride, that is SOCl3, in the presence of pyridine. Pyridine means C5H5N. See, this is a ring and here in place of carbon, nitrogen is present. When it will combine with thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine, haloalkane will be prepared along with the formation of two gases, SO2 and HCl, and these two gases will be evolved out and we will get only the main product. So this is the best reaction, that is the reaction of alcohol with thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine to obtain haloalkane. So this was about the preparation of haloalkane, and two more preparation reactions are left that we will continue in the next video. Thank you.